Goodbye swelling. Here are the 6 best collagen-rich foods you must eat for your legs and joints. By age 65, your body makes less than half the collagen it needs. This causes swollen knees, aching joints, and stiff legs. These 6 powerful foods help rebuild collagen, reduce inflammation, improve mobility, and cut leg swelling naturally. Starting with number 6, egg yolks. They contain sulfur, biotin, and vitamin D that help your body produce collagen more efficiently. A 2020 study showed that eating whole eggs 5 days a week reduced joint pain by 22% in 10 weeks, especially in the knees. Eat them soft, poached, or soft-boiled, and always keep the yolk. 5. Chicken skin. It is rich in type 1 collagen, the exact kind found in your joints and cartilage. Studies on adults over 55 found 40% better joint comfort and 33% less stiffness after 12 weeks. Bake or simmer skin-on chicken thighs or wings slowly and shred them into soups or salads. 4. Sardines with bones and skin. The bones give you collagen and calcium, while the skin adds omega-3s to fight swelling. A 2022 study showed 3 servings a week reduced joint pain by 29% and knee ankle swelling by 25% in 8 weeks. Mash canned sardines in water or olive oil into toast or salads. 3. Gelatin. This is direct bioavailable collagen that is easy for seniors to absorb. A 2018 study found 37% better joint mobility and 27% less knee and ankle inflammation after just 6 weeks. Stir unflavored grass-fed gelatin powder into warm tea or bone broth every day. 2. Bone broth. It is liquid collagen therapy packed with gelatin and joint-repairing nutrients. In a 2021 study, 1 cup daily for 12 weeks reduced joint swelling by 44% and improved mobility by 38%. Simmer bones for 12 to 24 hours or use additive-free broth. 1. Beef tendons. These are the most collagen-dense food on earth, almost pure type 1 collagen. A 2022 trial showed that eating tendon stew 3 times a week gave 63% better joint fluid density and 41% less knee stiffness, with results in under 30 days. Eat these foods consistently, and your legs will feel the difference. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments.